Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. Today's my video is about how to overcome the heatness of your laptop. Sometimes when we use heavy softwares, then our laptop is heat up. So I will tell you how to overcome on this problem. So let's get started. First of all, we have to search here power and sleep setting. Okay. After that, you have to look at that right point, related setting. So additional power setting, you have to click here, and after that you have to click change plan setting, and then you have to click here change advanced power setting. Pop-up window is opened, and you have to drag it down, and you can see here there is a setting about processor power management. So we have to manage the maximum processor state, so it's about 100. You have to I have done this task already, so it's 100%. So you have, if you have a less percentage on battery and plug in, I think if you have 75, 78, anything else, so you have to put it in 100%. So after that you have to check the setting, system cooling poly, then you have to set it as on battery passive. So and after that you have to click on apply button, and then okay. So it will reduce the heatness of your laptop, but there is a little bit drawback of this setting. That is, after putting your laptop on these settings, the processing speed of your laptop will be minor slow. Okay, I think this video will be very helpful for you, and you have enjoyed it. We will meet in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.